Hello students, welcome to my channel. Let us learn poem number 3, Recess. I am singing this poem for you. Listen it carefully. Girls and boys make lots of noise and run and jump and laugh and shout, while here and there with quiet air, groups of children walk about. A game begins but no one wins, although they play with might and main, for long before the game is over. The bell rings out for school again. Before starting the poem, let us understand the meaning of recess. Recess is a break between school classes, and students are free to do what they like. They can study or play various indoor or outdoor games. You always wait for the recess. In this pandemic, the schools are closed, and recess is one of those things you miss a lot, isn't it? In these pictures, some students are studying while some students are playing. What do you do? Okay, let us learn the poem now. The poet is saying, girls and boys are making lots of noise in the recess. Some students or some boys and girls are running, jumping, laughing and shouting. Shout means a loud cry expression. While some are just walking around the school, means they are not jumping or running like other students, but they are looking quiet as they are just only talking and walking in the school premises. Now let us learn the second stanza. A game begins, but no one wins. The poet is saying that now the game has begun. The students have started to play game, but no one has won, and they are playing. How they are playing? They are playing with might and main, means with all their strength. They are doing their best in the game, but even then no one is winning. Why? Because before they could finish the game, the school bell rings for school classes again, means the recess is over. I think it is your own experience, means as poet is saying, you must have experienced the same, because in the recess if you could not complete any game, you feel bad, but when the school bell rings, you have to attend the classes. Now let us solve the exercise. During the recess, what do the children in this poem do? In this poem, how students are enjoying, we should write here. B. Why does no one win? The reason behind no one is winning is asked here. Question 2. What name or names are used for recess in your school? Means which other words are used for recess, as we know that recess is a break between school classes. So it may be short or long. Question 3. How do you spend your recess? Describe it in 2 or 3 lines. In this question, you should share your experience. You can add your own points here. Now listen this poem carefully and solve the exercise. Thank you.